In Indian scenario, once the general elections are announced, we find that there is a phenomenon called Lameduck executive. In the recent times, we find that even Lameduck legislature also has emerged. Hello everybody. After the general elections, in Indian scenario, once the general elections are announced, we find that there is a phenomenon called Lameduck executive. What is this Lameduck executive? Whenever the legislature is dissolved, to continue the administration, it is necessary that the Council of Ministers continues to exist till the new elections are done and a new political party is returned to power. Till that time, this is called as a Lameduck executive or a caretaker executive. This caretaker executive is not supposed to take up any policy decisions or important decisions unless until they are threatening the existence of the country. Otherwise, it is there only to carry out a routine administration. Generally, in the Indian scenario, there is Lameduck executive exists, but there is no phenomenon of Lameduck legislature. But in the recent times, we find that even Lameduck legislature also has emerged. In the last general elections, we find that even before the dissolution of the Lok Sabha, elections to the new Lok Sabha were already conducted. Once the new mandate of the people has been announced, the old mandate which has been there in the Lok Sabha is invalid or has lost its credibility. Then it becomes a Lameduck legislature. Generally, this Lameduck executive and Lameduck legislatures occur in United States, where you find that the president's election takes place even before the incumbent's term is over. Then automatically the existing president becomes a Lameduck executive. Even before the Senate's term is over, the legislature is constituted, therefore the legislature becomes a Lameduck legislature. However, this phenomena of Lameduck executive and Lameduck executive legislature have also entered into Indian political scenario in the recent times.